Hi, welcome to another episode of Paultre on Power, PSDTV's engineering talk show on power and power design. I'm your host, Alix Paultre, and we've got friend of the show, Primit Parikh, and he's with Transform, and well, we're going to talk about GaN. That's really big right now, isn't it?
It's one of the most exciting things in the power industry happening today, Alex.
It's so, and that's the interesting thing is that this is the year that GaN is, I mean, we've been talking about this for the last year, but this is the time frame where GaN is really becoming, as it were.
Yeah, one of the things that really made this happen is what we have been doing at Transform is making sure that GaN, while being on the leading edge of innovation, is always also the highest reliability, highest quality technology that is out there. So what we have done through all years of hard work, we and the industry where we have come, is now GaN, our customers believe through data that GaN is indeed highest reliability and similar reliability to any established silicon application. So that is what has made this reality happen.
Excellent. Well, that's a very good point. It really is, Primit, when you think about it, because you could have a chip that's superconducting at room temperature, but if you can't trust it, you can't use it.
Right. Exactly. So power is stringent environments, industrial, automotive, very difficult, harsh environments, and you drove the point home very well. High temperature, does your breakdown voltage stand up to high temperature? So not only you need to have margin, but you have to have margin across all of the operating range. And that is what we have focused on through, again, systematic qualification processes that we have in place. And as a result, the customers ranging from power supply server makers to industrial folks are all now getting more comfortable, and this is the year where you'll see end user systems with GaN inside. Transform products have been out there, other products have been out there, but this is the year where end user products are coming on the market.
Exactly, and you're seeing that all over the show. I think that's a very important advance, as you pointed out. Now, the other thing, though, I'd like to point out is the fact that the companies that are making the GaN are moving to their second generation, they're advancing their own designs, the core technology is improving.
Correct, absolutely, and that one has to do. That's the hallmark of semiconductor industry for the last 40 years. So we've now moved on to our Gen 2 products. We are introducing 2 Gen 2 products at APEC here that allow to go to very high levels of power from a single device, more than 4 kilowatts, not possible before. And then we are in the development to stay ahead. We are already on to our Gen 3.
Very, very nice. Now, you want to talk about a couple of the parts you have here at the show that you wanted to highlight?
Sure. So we have introducing 2 products. One of them is in an industry standard TO247 package, a very robust package that works well if you know how to handle it. We have made our high-speed GaN work easy to use. That's one of our hallmarks also, easy to use technology, and it's a 3207 PS is the part number, but the key of that is it's a 41 milliohm maximum resistance parts that allows the system to be run at 3 to 4 kilowatt power levels, which was not possible before from a single part.
Very nice, but that means some of your design wins must be very impressive.
Yes, they are, and again, it has allowed some of our design wins that we can talk about range from a 4.5 kilowatt PV inverter, which is in the market, done by a premier Japanese company through their stringent standards of quality and reliability, to some specialty lighting applications where compact and light is very important for power supplies for LED and stage lighting, and you can see both of them exhibited at our booth.
Very nice. Now, as you know, you're a friend of the show. Before I let any of my guests go, I always ask them for the last word. So you could talk a little bit more about the product or about the company, or just a tip for our audience, but the floor is yours.
I think the key is, again, GaN is very exciting, and we are here to make it happen with our team with the highest reliability and highest power products out there in the market.
Excellent. Well, hey, Primit, I'm really glad you had the time, especially in a busy show like this, to talk to us. I'm really glad you had the time.
Always a pleasure, Alex.
And I'd like to thank everybody out there in the audience for taking the time to be with us. We wouldn't be here without you. Tell your friends. This is Alix Paultre for Paultre on Power. Have a great day.